an application received by the appointing authority or a higher authority from a sportsman belonging to any of the categories may be considered by the department or the head of the department as the case may be in the light of the evidence which the applicant may furnish of his having represented in any of the competitions mentioned in the previous paragraph and subject also to the applicant fulfilling the requisites qualifications to education, age, etc., as may be laid down in the rules for the post for which he is a candidate. Full stop. Normally, certificates awarded by the authorities mentioned in Annexure B should alone be taken into account while considering the eligibility of an applicant in terms of paragraph 2 above. Full stop. Appointment may be made of such a candidate after the department or head of the department as the case may be is satisfied about the eligibility of the candidate under these orders as well as his suitability for the post in all respect. Full stop. Where the appointing authority is subordinate to a head of department, such authorities may make a recommendation in this regard to the head of the department along with the necessary details for obtaining his concurrence in the proposed appointment of the candidate. Full stop. Similar procedure in regard to verification of eligibility and suitability for appointment may be followed if the employment exchange nominates a sportsman fulfilling the criteria mentioned in paragraph 2 above for any vacancy in class 3 or class 4 notified to it. Full stop. The appointment in the case may be made by the appointing authority itself according to the normal procedure. Full stop. The orders contained in this office manual will not affect the orders relating to reservation for scheduled castes or scheduled tribes or ex-servicemen which may be in force from time to time. Full stop. In other words, the vacancies filled in accordance with these orders in a year shall be taken into account in calculating the total number of vacancies in the service during that year for purpose of applying the reservation orders. Full stop. As the Ministry of Railways, the Directorate General of Postage and Telegraphs, and the Controller and Auditor General of India have already got separate schemes for recruitment of meritorious sportsmen in offices under them. These orders will not for the present apply to those office. Full stop. Please acknowledge receipt of this letter. Full stop.